Hello, everyone, and good evening. I'm Manasvi. And first of all, I'd like to thank Professor RSV and VisionGate, without which none of us would be here. For me, VisionGate is more than just a coaching institute, and I think a lot of people here would agree with me. It's more like a family, and it's something that I think I will be part of throughout my life. And this is largely due to the culture inculcated by Professor RSV. So not only was he supporting and motivating us through the GATE exam, but even after GATE, when we were preparing for interviews and for our admissions, and even now that we are in various IITs, Sir keeps asking us about how we're doing, and he keeps giving us motivation, and we can always reach out to him, we can always ask him guidance or advice about anything, and he is a mentor to all of us for life. And this is something that I think is really rare in a person, to be part of our lives throughout and not just at GATE. And this journey in VisionGate is one that is really dear to my heart. And I have to mention the people also with me who were very integral to this journey. And there are many things I learned from these people, not just academically. So during my year or 7 to 8 months at VisionGate, my knowledge and my problem-solving skills improved tremendously, but there are also many other things that I learned from the people around me. Like, for instance, from Arushi, I learned that it's always good, like, okay to ask questions even no matter how silly they may seem. This is a trait of hers that I really admire. And from Yavnika, I learned that never to be satisfied with an explanation until you have completely understood something. Yavnika is kind of famous for asking questions and not being satisfied with the explanation until and when she asks these questions, you start to realize that your own understanding is lacking in some way and that you haven't really deeply understood the concept. So a good test of whether you've understood the concept or not is whether Yavnika is satisfied with your explanation. And from Pratik, I learned just how much hard work means, and his journey has been really, really motivational. Not just for me, but for everyone who knows about it. And then you all know Jaideep, I'm sure. And many of you know that Jaideep also studied with us in 2020, even though he was going to give the exam only the next year. And his success and Professor RSV and VisionGate's success, which is very, very well deserved, was something we predicted. But what many of you may not know about Jaideep is that last year he used to be somewhat impatient, and he'd make a lot of silly mistakes in giving, so when he'd answer questions, he'd make a lot of silly mistakes because he'd jump to the answer. And this is something he has worked on specifically, and I've seen him work on everything that was holding him back and improve upon himself and get to where he is today. So while his success was something we predicted even last year, we all knew that AIR1 will be Jaideep, but I am very, very, very proud of him. And I'm very thankful to all the people who are part of this journey with me. And this is something I will cherish for life. Thank you.